Don't you wish there were eyeshadow looks where you don't need to do perfect blending? Well, for today's looks, you don't need perfect blending, but it still looks absolutely stunning. I'm going to be showing you how to create 3 stunning smudged kohl looks for New Year's Eve. So if you're ready, let's begin. For all looks, I'm going to be using the House Labs Kohl Kajal pencil. And for the first look, I'm going to simply apply it in the outer and inner corners of my lash lines. I'm just randomly placing it in the outer and inner corners, and you don't have to be perfect because we'll be smudging this out anyway. And so with a blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and smudge this out. This kohl blends beautifully, and I'm going to soften it as it moves to the center of the lid. From the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, I'm going to dip into this brown eyeshadow with a blending brush to soften the edges further. If you don't have a brown eyeshadow handy, you can also use a bronzer if you prefer. And then using some black eyeshadow, I'm going to deepen the corners further. Next, I'm going to be using this pressed glitter from the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. And with my finger, I'm going to apply it to the center of my lid and blend out the edges with a brush. Using the Rimmel's Candle Eyes pencil in the shade Hypnotic Gold, I'm going to line just the center of my waterline before I curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. I'm going to be using one of my favorite mascaras. This is the highly rated mascara by Milani. You can of course use false lashes with this look. It'll look absolutely stunning, but because I'm doing 3 different looks today, I'm going to stick with just mascara. And here's the first Smudge Kohl look. It looks very captivating and has a little bit of vampiness to it, which is perfect for New Year's Eve. For the second look, I'm going to use the Kohl Kajal in my waterline as well as my lash line. Again, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. There's nothing perfect about any of these 3 looks, but they still look stunning. Just go ahead and make that placement, and then with a blending brush, I'm going to smudge this all the way up to my crease and in my lower lash line. And then I'm going to pick up the brown eyeshadow with a flat, fluffy brush and set my entire lid up to my socket. And because we are using it over the Kohl Kajal that we smudged as well, it'll look darkest closer to the lashes. And as it moves upward and outward, it becomes lighter, giving you a beautiful ombre effect. I'm also going to soften the lower lash line using the same brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be using the pressed glitter with my finger and very lightly applying it all over my lid. Using the Ofra highlighter in Flash, I'm going to highlight the inner corner as well as brow bone before I curl my lashes and finish up with a coat of mascara. And here's a soft, sultry, smoky eye with glitter, another example of a perfect wearable glam for New Year's Eve. For the third look, I'm going to start by applying the kajal in my waterline. And then here I'm using a piece of cardboard as a stencil in the outer corner. You can use a business card, you can use a sheet of paper, whatever you have which is flat and straight, you can use it in the outer corner as a stencil. I'm going to extend a wing using the kajal, and then with a blending brush, I'm going to start smudging this towards the center of the lid while still holding that card in the outer corner. Now when you remove it, you get a beautiful wing in the outer corner because of that stencil. You don't need to clean up or sharpen the edges. I'm going to further smoke out some brown eyeshadow on my lid to soften up everything, and also soften up my lower lash line using the same brown eyeshadow with a flat definer brush. Using the Tartelette liquid liner from Tarte, I'm going to line my lash line. And then for the glitter, I'm going to use it just in the inner half of my crease. This is again a pressed glitter. You don't need a base or an adhesive. You can go directly with your finger or brush and apply it. To finish up, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. And here is the third look, super elegant and absolutely stunning for a night out. Which one was your favorite? The spotlight, the smoky eye, or the soft wing? Let me know in comments and check out all the products that I used in the description box. And please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're new here. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.